In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a group in Slack. Creating a group in Slack is one of the quickest ways to start a focused conversation with a smaller set of teammates. This is especially useful when you don't want to post in a large public channel and you just need a private space to coordinate, share updates, or kick off a discussion. In Slack, this usually starts as a multi-person direct message, and if the conversation grows, you can later turn it into a private channel for more organized, long-term collaboration. To begin, open the Slack desktop app or sign in to your workspace through a desktop web browser. Once Slack is open, look to the left-hand sidebar. Find the area labeled Direct Messages, and then either hover there to find the plus icon or click the new message icon near the top of the sidebar. This will open a fresh conversation window and you'll see your cursor ready in the To field. Next, click inside that To field and start adding the people you want in the group. Type the name of your first teammate, then select the correct person from the drop-down list. After that, type a comma or a space and add the next teammate. Keep repeating that until everyone you want is included. Slack allows you to add up to 8 people in a direct message group, so this works well for smaller team discussions. Once your group members are added, move down to the message box at the bottom of the screen. This is where you'll send your first message to start the conversation. Type a simple welcome message or a short note explaining the purpose of the chat. It's a good idea to make this message clear so everyone immediately understands why the group was created. When you're ready, press enter or click the paper plane send icon. As soon as that message is sent, Slack will create the new multi-person conversation automatically. You'll now be inside the group chat, and at the top of the window, you should see the list of members included in that conversation. At the same time, everyone you added will see this new group chat appear in their own left sidebar, making it easy for them to jump in right away. If the discussion becomes more active over time, you can scale it into a private channel. To do that, click the names at the top of the group conversation to open the details panel. Then look for the option to convert the conversation to a private channel or move it to a channel depending on your version of Slack. Enter a clean, simple channel name, then click convert. That will turn your group chat into a more permanent private workspace for ongoing communication. That is all. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.